Hello everyone. So in last video we have seen introduction of VAPI. In this video we will see how to create AI voice assistant using VAPI. So let's start. First go on Google, type VAPI, enter, click on VAPI first link. If you have not created account on VAPI, just create it. I already created, so I will sign in. Sign in. My net is slow. Keep patience. Here, sign in with Google. Okay. Um, my net is slow a little bit. Okay. Yeah. We'll enter to the dashboard. Here it is a beautiful dashboard in which there are many options. There is sidebar, there is assistant, squad tools, phone number, resources. So in this video, first we will see how to create assistant. In further videos, we will see all many tools that are present in VAPI. So first click on assistant. Okay. Here there are many assistants I have already created. So I will create new assistant for you. Create assistant. Here there are pre-built templates. If you want, you can use it. If you want blank template, you can also use it. You can name it your template as you want. Like I am naming it dentist. Okay, just create assistant. Okay, here is different type of options like model, voice, transcriber. In this video we will see model. Okay, so there is a provider. Provider means OpenAI, Groq, Anthropic, etc. So if you want, you can choose any type of provider as you wish. I am choosing OpenAI. And which type of model you want to use, I am using GPT 4.1. Okay. Here is first message mode. So I want to say that in your AI assistant, first AI assistant will speak for user. So here there are three options. There are assistant speak first, assistant waits for user, means first user will speak, after that assistant will speak. Okay, so I am doing assistant speaks first, after that I will speak. Here first message means if assistant will speak, what is its first message? So I am typing hello, um, what can I do for you? So here I typed first message for assistant that hello, what can I do for you? Okay, here we can write manually and also we can generate using AI. So here I am writing generate full prompt for dentist appointment. Okay, submit edit, it will generate automatically. Okay, see, it is generating identity, you are a helper professional something. Okay, there are different styles, task, goals, error handling. Okay, if you want, you can write it manually also. There are tokens, you can put it as 300 tokens also. Temperature you can also put. Okay, so in next video we will see what is voice configuration. So for this video we have seen what is AI assistant, how to create it, and how to configure it. Okay, so see you in next video. Take care, thanks.